This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp. Are you looking for an IT bootcamp? In your journey with TS4U, you will get workshops and tasks every week, hands-on practice, technical tests and tasks, show and tell, mock interview. And we get paid fully only when you get a job. You can get affordable student loan. Become eligible for free tuition. We offer industry-demanding IT boot camps. Join now and start your IT engineering journey today with TS4U.
So do you know if there is a difference between API testing and unit testing? And if yes, can you explain it, please?
Well, absolutely. Yes, it does. So unit testing is actually the white box testing, and our developer actually write the unit testing before actually they come to the technical review meeting. So this is solely their responsibility. API testing, actually the back-end testing, that's the where I actually test heavily for many of the features for the e-commerce application. So it's kind of it is not the kind, it's a functional testing. We treat it as sometimes we call it black box testing, sometimes we call the gray box testing. But yeah, there is a major difference. The unit testing is the white box testing, and the API, the RESTful API testing is SOAP API testing is called the functional black box testing or the gray box testing.